Welcome to English class with Miss Faith. Today, we are going to learn school supplies vocabulary in English. Are you ready? Let's begin. What is this? This is a pencil. A pencil. What is this? What is this? This is a pen. A pen. What is this? What is this? This is a crayon. A crayon. What is this? What is this? This is a notebook. A notebook. What is this? What is this? This is a book. A book. What is this? What is this? This is a school bag. A school bag. What is this? What is this? This is a ruler. A ruler. What is this? What is this? This is an eraser. An eraser. What is this? What are these? These are scissors. Are scissors. What are these? What is this? This is a glue stick. A glue stick. What is this? Let's review. Repeat after me. This is a pencil. This is a pencil. This is a pen. This is a pen. This is a crayon. This is a crayon. This is a notebook. This is a notebook. This is a book. This is a book. This is a school bag. This is a school bag. This is a ruler. This is a ruler. This is an eraser. This is an eraser. These are scissors. These are scissors. This is a glue stick. This is a glue stick. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos.